coming today to do the forming. I just wanted to take a real quick look. You can see some water down in the trench there. So that water has to come out before you can pour concrete on the top. It's a little more than we would like, but we're here now. So we'll have to shovel out the slop on the top, and then, you know, if the water keeps coming in, we'll have to pump it. But see if we can get the footings in today and get our inspection. So the forming crew just left. Inspector should be here in roughly 25 minutes. So I figured I'd run out and show you guys the forming. As you can see, they have some boards laid down here, and the concrete will obviously go in between those. They have rebar set, and you can see, let's see if I can get over here. You can see right there, there's the little X that separates the rebar and holds it together. And then those come all the way down in between this concrete, or these two pieces of plywood here. That's going to be filled all the way up with concrete. And my dad came and built these towers here. So you can see there's the top, and then they come all the way down, and they kind of turn like this and then go outward at the bottom. And this straight one ties both those 45-degree angled pieces, and then it comes all the way over and ties into the rebar here that goes through the footing. So those piers are one piece. When this is all poured, it'll be all connected all the way around. So those girders for the steel building there will come down, and the bolts will go in the center of those rebar towers there. So you can see there's a little bit of water. That's not too much, I guess. They're happy with it. So that's always good. You can see another piece of rebar here. It goes through the form all the way out each side. So it'll tie in a little bit higher up. And let's see, take this all the way down. You have 4 of these rebar towers on each side. See here, that orange stake, that's the outside corner of the building. And the footing is a little bit wider. I believe it's 4.5 inches wider. And then these end walls have 3 pieces of rebar across that are all tied in here to the 2 that come through the long wall. You can see we have a bit more water in this end down here, but that's all right. And then you can see there's 2 extra 2x4s that go across, and those will be raised up with concrete as well, and that's where the there's a support that goes straight up and down there. So, like I said, the inspector should be here in 20 minutes, half an hour or so. And then if everything looks good, we'll get some concrete in. We're in good shape. They did all of this in about 5 hours this morning. So it's looking really good. And hopefully we get some concrete today.